Welcome to our tutorial on cloaking rotators for enhanced presentation. Are you ready to customize the appearance of your rotator links? In this video, we'll guide you through the process of cloaking rotators, allowing you to control how they appear when shared on social media platforms and other websites. To begin, create a new rotator or edit an existing one. Scroll down to Cloak and select this option. Here, you can change the page title, description, and page image URL of the rotator. With cloaking enabled, you have the flexibility to modify meta tags, ensuring that when the rotator link is shared on platforms like Facebook, the information you've set here will be parsed instead of the default meta tags from your target URL. Unlock the power of cloaked rotator links and customize the presentation of your links for maximum impact. Let's dive in and optimize your link sharing strategy with cloaking.